Hi my sweet children, today we are going to learn to multiply numbers with a series of ones in a very easy method. In fact, in one step. So let us take a small number first, that is 52 times 11. How we do this? Just separate this 5 and 2. Then add 5 and 2, that is 5 plus 2 is 7, put in the middle. So that your answer will be 572. Let us take another example, 45 times 11. Separate this 4 and 5. Add this 4 and 5 and it is 9. Put in the middle. So 495. Now let us take another example, that is 68 times 11. If we add this 6 and 8, 6 plus 8 is 14. Don't put that 14 in the middle. Please put 4 in the middle and 1 you have to carry over to 6. So that your answer becomes 748. Now let us take a bigger number, 3121 times 11. Here what we do is we start from right side, it is 1, put a 1 there. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, put it there. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, put it here. And then 3 plus 1 is 4 here, and then last this 3 will come. So your answer is 34331. Now we can multiply the same number by a series of 3 ones, that is 111. How to do this? 1 you put it here. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Since here there are 3 ones, you have to take a group of maximum 3 numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Put it here. Then again you have one more group of 3 numbers here, that is 2, 1, 3, starting from 2. That is 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6. Put it here. Then all the groups of 3 numbers over. So you have to take the group of 2 numbers. That is 1 plus 3, these 2 numbers, 1 plus 3, 4, and then last this 3 will come. So your answer will be 346431. Now we will do another example, 3121 times 1111. So the last number 1 will come here, then 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4, it comes here. Then what happens? Here there are 4 ones in the series, so you have to take maximum 4 numbers in the group, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is 7, you put it here. Now we take the last 3, that is 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6, put it here. Then 1 plus 3, 4, and then this first 3 will come. So your answer is 3467431. Now one more example, 3921 times 111. Here this last one will come here. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 9 is 12. 2 you put there and 1 you have to carry over. Now maximum you have to take a group of 3 numbers. So you start from this 2 again, 2 plus 9 plus 3, that will give 14, 1 carry over, so 5 there and again 1 carry over because it is 15. Now all the group of 3 numbers over, so you take the last 2 numbers, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1 is carry over there. So 13, 3 put there, 1 carry over, 1 plus 3 is 4. So your answer is 435231. So you can extend this method to larger numbers as well. Now we can do one real life activity. Maria grew 426 rare flowers and sold each at a rate of $11. What is the amount that she made from her flower business? Answer is 426 multiplied by 11, and that is $4686. Now it is practice time for you. Practice more and more problems, make more and more questions by your own, and practice. Because the more and more you practice, the more and more talented you become. So here I am giving you some few questions to practice. Send me this answer using the code P007. Thank you so much for attending this class. Please do practice, and bye bye. Love you all.